my channel, Shreya this side. Hope you all are doing great, and if you are new here then do subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for new video updates. And आज की वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी कुछ awesome shrugs which will be perfect for upcoming autumn winter season. and उसके साथ मैं बीच बीच में आप लोगों को styling tips भी दूँगी, so इस वीडियो के end तक ज़रूर देखना.
So the first one is a Georgette floral printed shrug. It is very lightweighted and breathable, and it retails for $4.99 only. Next one is a blue chiffon shrug. It's a long shrug. It's a chiffon printed open front long line shrug. It has 3/4 bell sleeves. And this one retails for $4.98 only. Next one is a navy blue long full sleeve shrug. This shrug is super comfortable and soft. We can wear it with any neon color or pop color top or any light or white color top. Next and the last one is a chiffon printed black color open front long line shrug. It has a 3/4 bell sleeves. It retails for $4.98 only. I am adding each and every shrug's link below in the description box. Don't forget to check out those.
So that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Then please do like this video and share this video, and let me know in the comment section which shrug you like the most. and आप लोगों को कौन सा shrug, अगर कोई भी shrug सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया होगा, then I'm adding all the links below in the description box. Don't forget to check out that. Also let me know in the comment section which product you guys want me to add into my storefront. I will create ideal list for those products because I have my own Amazon store. Okay, so I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.